Sinclair. I have to warn him.
No, there's no time. Just follow my instructions and I'll get you out of here. I'll protect you. There's one shot to get you out. This is it.
Where are you?
I'm close. Listen, we haven't got time for this. You need to do as I say. Wait. You'll never make the jump. Give me a second to hack the storage controls. There. Now move. Climb across the containers. You'll have to take a running jump at it. Just keep moving forward. I won't be able to keep them down for long. Those are just maintenance drones. They're harmless. They're lucky to be alive. They work too hard. Just watch your step. You're not the only one trying to get out of here, Marshall. Down here, it's a different world. Watch your step. Screams you can hear. The refugees Vector kicked out are being welcomed home. Wait. Guard up ahead on the right. Go left, it's clear. Go right here. Stop. There's a patrol up ahead. Hide in that container. Wait. I'll tell you when to move. Trust me, he won't find you. Now go. Don't get too close. You're in no condition to take him on.
Control, 3-3 rated 7. Zone 6 secure. Moving on to Zone 4. Out.
Hide in that container up ahead. You're doing good, Marshall. Go. Now's your chance. You need to climb.
What are you doing?
It'd help if I knew where I was going.
I'm helping you get out.
That's what I'm finding hard to believe.
I don't take pleasure in killing my own people to save you, Marshall. So if you don't believe my words, then believe my actions. You've got 2 more guards up ahead. I've accessed their radio frequency. It's sporadic, but I'll relay what I can.
Tempest 3-5, you're directed to check Zone 4. I've lost contact with Tempest 3-3. They were investigating suspicious activity.
Keep going.
That's reported. This is a high
You need to climb.
If you are found without clearance codes, you will be detained.
Marshall, I'm headed your way. This area's way too hot. I'm going off comms.
Wait, where am I going? Are you there?
Attention all guards. We have a code red in Sector 7. Possible escapee.
Get out here alone. No one ever does.
Don't move. Get those hands up.
You make a habit of disobeying orders.
I should have never handed over Massar. As long as she's alive, they'll use her. Both sides. We have to move. They find you out here, you're dead. They've got a curfew down here. We need to get off the streets. It's not gonna take long for them to figure out what's happened. We need to get as far away as possible before they do. There's an old smuggler's route we can use.
The Vectin half of you. Do you know him?
I learned very early on not to ask that question. I know what I am, Kellen, and I'm not ashamed. All that matters to me is my people.
You could help your people. Vasari could as well. She seems more interested in war.
Vasari's doing this because she doesn't think she has a choice. If you attack, she will not back down. And why should she? She'd be defending her people, their home. This is all we have. You have to tell your people to stand down. We can't let this happen, Kellen, not again. It's innocent people who pay with their lives. Can't waste any more time. Let's get you up and running. I've uplinked you into the ComSec network. You'll be able to hack automata and designate targets. Put a marker on that grate and we'll see if it works. You're linked. If you need cover fire, just mark a target and leave the rest to me. Let's test the hack. Try it on this spider mine. Now, hack this spider bot. Now move to the door controls and detonate. Good. Use them when you need to.
Across several
All right, hack
districts,
another.
gunfire and
Use the
explosions
window.
were let off.
Get to the other side of the door.
For your courage and knows in the eventuality of an attack on our soil, you would respond just as bravely.
You're gonna need this. Remember why we're doing this. Sinclair trusts you. He's the one that you need to convince. If VSA are running things, Vector will follow his lead.
What makes you think you can trust me?
I can't. But I know you don't want your people to die, and I can trust that. Keep heading for the wall. I'll take the higher ground and cover you. Tell me what to shoot. I'll be in Overwatch. Mark anything you need help dealing with. We need to get to Containment Center 37.
Attention!
Follow my
By
lead and
order
we'll
of
get through
Security
this.
Protocol
You're clear.
669, the citywide
They're restricting the
curfew
bridge.
is
We need it to get
active.
across.
Violators
Take the
will
shot.
be subject to arrest. Vacate the street immediately.
He's down.
Control, Raiden 2. I'm hearing fire in Sector 4. Raiden 2, this is Control. We're having trouble dispersing units. ComSec is glitching. Man your station and wait
Target
for an
hit.
update.
I can't override the system. The controls need to be destroyed. Hack a spider mine. It's the only way to open up a route to the other side.
Come in, Raiden 2. We found hacked transit controls. Fugitive is heading your way. Over. Read me, Raiden 2. This is Control. Over. Control, this is Raiden 6. I've lost comms with Raiden 2. Dispatch 2 troops, Raiden 6. See what's going on. Over. this up? Insolence?
It wasn't me.
You are in violation of Municipal Code 457, defacing government property. Code 47B, curfew violation.
It's my kid. She's got lung burn. I went out for medicine.
On your knees, Vapor. I
Wait,
said get on your knees.
please,
Firing!
Thanks. You're the guy they're looking for, aren't you?
Control, this is Raiden 6. I'm in Sector
It's not
4.
much, but
We've multiple
maybe it'll help.
KIAs. Everyone is dead. All units, be advised.
I hope
We
you've
have a
got some
fugitive
friends in
coming
this
out of
town.
Sector 4. He is armed and extremely dangerous.
ATAC, do not engage them. Just find the containment center. The wall's not far, but they know you're out. There's going to be a lot more patrols from here on in. Target down.
Update to units attending Section 21. Suspect may not be alone. Use caution. Set up fire in the area. Control, Raiden 4. We're speaking with civilians in this sector who observed the suspect with another individual. A female, possibly outcast, and we're investigating further. Update received, Raiden 4. All teams assigned to the detention breach. Your information, roger, set up, being transmitted. Control, I'm on the scene. Read multiple coordinates. Take command of the Delta Raiden 6.
Watch it, Captain. There's a security team below you. Find another way around. Meet you on the other side. It makes a change. Affecting seeing how we really live. This is the truth, Kellen.
I'm not gonna wait to die!
This is what your sanctions do.
I choose!
These are the people they hurt.
I choose!
All
Me!
you're doing is helping to breed a new generation of
You!
extremists.
Please! Don't leave me like this! Please, kill me!
Thank you. I don't care who you are, just help. Somebody please help us.
This is all I have.
Thank you.
Marking.
Enemy at the top of the elevator. Those containers are dangerous. Find a control panel, release the crane maglock, and you'll be able to shoot the entire box loose. Or just mark it and I'll take the shot.
Hold up, I got something.
Mark the container. I can shoot it for you.
Target marked.
Target killed.
Target designated.
Target killed. Kellen, there's a large attack drone incoming. Don't try and fight it head on. You'll get cut to pieces. You got EMP grenades, use them. Get down. It's taking damage. Keep going. He's mine. Kill it. It's destroyed. There's an elevator just in front of you. Wait. I'm getting something on the radio. Multiple fire teams coming down to that level. Find cover.
Marked.
Heads
Target
up.
killed.
Over there. I have a man down over here.
Drop him.
Man
Target
down.
killed.
Get him out of there.
You get my mark?
Target killed.
You're gonna wish you'd never been born. Oh!
Are you going to convince your side to stand down or not?
Look across the wall. Our city's still smoldering.
I told you, we...
Blame the Black Hand all you want. Vector doesn't want the truth. He wants justice.
At what cost? I've never faced annihilation before. We have. Trust me, it's not worth it. Damn it.
People like us
I
don't get
just
to make
lost my
that.
cloak charge. Why? I'm going to have to get through to the control room without it. For us. Meet me at transit loading. Throw us away. And don't shoot anything unless I mark it. I'll have every unit on us.
They're locking everything down. We won't get across on foot. I'm gonna make a break for the transit controls. Cover me. I'll call out targets.
Sentinel, get eyes up on that platform. I can't see for shit. Get a spotlight up there. Any news on the victim? He's racking up quite a death toll. Reports say he's got help from the inside. Prison sector just don't want to admit they messed up. He won't make it through here alive.
Take out that spotlight. Hold fire. There's teams moving in. They've got attack drones escorting them. Don't engage them. They'll have support teams nearby. The only way through this is hitching a ride on a container. Hurry. Take the shot. Hold your fire. It looks like they're going to split up. There's a camera on the walkway, and those two guards. Take them out. Good shooting. I need to get over to those controls. I just saw a guard in the tower. Take him out before he spots me. Target down. I'm at the controls. I'm going to send a container over to you.
I've got a breaker that keeps tripping. Looks like a light short now. Let me take a look.
ATAX, find cover inside the container. Hurry! Stay out of sight.
Any news on that light? Come in, Victor. I've lost contact with the upper gangway. Who do we have in the control tower? Snipers in the tower. The fugitive is here. Get on watch now.
You're clear of the ATAC, but guards just moved to the tower in front of me. Deal with them and then push up. Okay. Hang on, I'm sending over the container. Damn it. There's more guards just ahead of you. You're going to have to take them out. I can't stop the container.
Like it's paradise for you.
Hold on to that. Look out
It's
for
amazing what you
snipers.
do to protect that.
It's lies, Kellen. Vectins are easily blinded. Here, we suffer from a different problem. We live in despair, surrounded by chaos and violence. We are not blind. We know that. We know the truth. Tell me, which one of us is freer? Are we not both slaves?
I'll do it. I'll try and get them to stand down.
That's all I ask.
Nice shooting, Vectin. But I'm gonna need my rifle back. Thanks.
What you said about killing Massar, you mean it?
I couldn't live with myself otherwise. If you were honest, neither could you. Come on. It's not much further.
I have to get over to the control tower. See if you can find a way to disable the security system. Maybe there's a spider mine around here. Stand by until I get in position. I'm ready. Mark your targets.
All yours.
Lost.
Target killed.
Waste them.
Target killed.
Take the shot.
Target killed. They're adjusting their quadrant. They're gonna be here any second. The antenna's down. We need to get power back up. You're going to have to get a new capacitor into the array. I saw one at the back of the room. Damn it. The capacitor outside, facing the tower. The antenna array is to the right. Hurry.
is up and running.
Good work. Communication systems are up. Gives us some time to take control of the ATACs.
There he is! He's up there!
I've almost got this. Hold on for a bit longer. It's working. They're engaging them. Reprogram isn't going to... We need to get you out of here. Target the walker. Ground troops will pull back. It's targeting into Tesla shop. Mark targets you want engaged. Got it. More attack walkers incoming. Engaging. Got it. Stand by. Falling back. Get up, Talon, now before they regroup.
Come on. Now's our chance. Hop up on this ATAC and I'll pilot you across the wall.
Seriously?
Unless you have a better idea. You have to convince Sinclair to stand down.
What about Stahl? Massar?
Give me 48 hours, Massar will be dead. Without her, Stahl is finished. He's got nothing but a dead planet. We can avoid war, you know that we can. Think you're the first person to ride on one of these. Don't be the last.
me, Sinclair.
Stand down. Are you out of your goddamn mind? Watch it, Lucas. Trust is easily lost in this game, and you don't get it back.
She helped me escape. I'd be dead otherwise.
You're gonna side with her over me? She told you she's gonna kill Massar. The one thing we need. The Black Hand, Visari, Stahl, there's no difference. Their agenda is the same. To wipe us out. It's always been that way. You know that more than anyone. Christ's sake, your father paid with his life. You gonna let his death mean nothing?
They are innocent people!
No! They're not innocent, Kellen. They're complicit. They all are. We have been given a chance. Secure the weapon and Massar. This thing targeted Helghast once. She can do it again. Visari won't be able to threaten us. Ever. We can finally take our home back. The Black Hand intel you retrieved details this mining spire in orbit around the planet. I need you to infiltrate, find the weapon, and Massar. Do not let the half-breed get in your way. Show me I can still trust you, Lucas.